Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 motorized treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill. Take your fitness routine in stride and start your journey with the T7603 by Sunny Health and Fitness.